Brush up on your French.
My university is organizing a trip to Paris for Fashion Week.
Wow. Are you interested in going?
Yes, we might even get to meet some designers.
You'd better brush up on your French then.
I haven't spoken French since we learned it at school.
Were you any good at it?
No, I was terrible.
Dialogue 1.
My college is planning a trip to Milan for the fashion shows.
Cool. Are you thinking of joining?
Yeah, we might even have a chance to meet some top designers.
You should probably refresh your Italian then.
I haven't used Italian since our high school classes.
Were you any good back then?
Nah, I was pretty awful at it.
Dialogue 2.
Our school is setting up a visit to Tokyo for the anime convention.
Awesome. Are you considering going?
Definitely, we might even get to meet some famous manga artists.
You'd better polish up your Japanese then.
I haven't practiced Japanese since our language exchange program.
Were you any good at it?
Not really, I was pretty lousy.
Dialogue 3. My department is arranging a trip to Berlin for the tech conference.
Nice. Are you keen on going?
Yeah, we might even get to meet some startup founders.
You should probably dust off your German then.
I haven't used German since our exchange semester.
Were you any good with it?
No way, I was pretty hopeless.
Dialogue 4.
Our company is putting together a trip to Madrid for the Business Expo.
Great. Are you up for going?
Absolutely, we might even get to network with some CEOs.
You'd better touch up your Spanish then.
I haven't spoken Spanish since our vacation last year.
Were you any good at it?
Not at all, I was a total disaster.